Today I'm building the Funline Designer Twist pen from Penn State Industries. I'm using my shopsmith bandsaw and my small craftsman drill press. I'm using Starbond 5-minute epoxy, and right now I'm wishing I'd remembered to paint the tubes or the inside of the barrels. I'm turning the blanks on my 1979 Shopsmith Mark V using the original Shopsmith wood turning tools. As soon as I have the blanks roughed out, I start sanding. I started around 120 and I worked my way up through 800 before my first coat of CA finish. I used 4 to 5 coats of the Starbond Speed Series 2 to 5 second drying time, and then 2 to 5 coats of the Speed Series 5 to 15 second drying time. Then I finish it up with micro mesh sanding up through 12,000 and I start assembling the pen. Here I'm putting on some of the internal pieces and then throwing on another coat of CA just to clean it up. Don't those pieces look nice? A little bit of CA to attach the centerpiece. A little bit of sanding to make sure the ends are square. And I'll assemble it on my vise. And that's it. Assembly's done. The Funline Designer Twist pen from Penn State's inexpensive, but I love how well it functions, feels great, and looks awesome sitting on my desk at work. What do you think?